Hi, hello, how are you, friends? How are you, one and all? I hope all of you are safe. So, friends, welcome to MDS Coaching Institute Korotla, and I am your coach Mohammad Sohail. So, friends, as we have discussed in the earlier classes about the bitwise important questions in the Indian history, Indian independence history. So, today we are going the most important bit questions in the Indian polity. Okay, so let's see the today's topic. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Many times these questions have been repeated in the state level exams, central level exams, DSCs, and in group exams also. So next question, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru proposed the preamble before the drafting committee. Next question, third question, how many fundamental rights are mentioned in Indian Constitution? So there are 6 fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. Next question, if the president's rule is imposed in a state, it means that the state is ruled by governor of the state. If the president rule is imposed, then the state is ruled by the governor. Next, fifth question, which article cannot be suspended even during emergency? As we know, in India there are imposed of emergencies like national emergencies, financial emergencies. There are 3 types of emergencies. So at the time of emergencies, the 2 articles can't be suspended. That is Article 20 and Article 21 cannot be suspended during the emergency also. So see the next 6th question. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the ideas of preamble from which country? So from the Constitution of United States of America. From the America Constitution, we Indians have borrowed the ideas of preamble. Next, 7th question. Parliamentary form of government is taken from the Constitution of which country? We have taken the parliamentary form of government from the Britain, United Kingdom, London. From the Britain we have took it. And next, 8th question, fundamental rights is taken from the Constitution of which country? India has adopted the fundamental rights from the United States of America Constitution. So next, 9th question, from which country Constitution of India has adopted fundamental duties? India has adopted the fundamental duties from the Constitution of USSR, United Soviet and Socialist Russia. That is Russia. From Russia we have adopted it. Very important questions, friends. Many times, nearly more than 10-20 times these questions have been repeated in the civil exams, in the group exams also. So next is the 10th question. The rule of law is taken from the Constitution of which country? The rule of law is taken from the British Constitution, that is from the United Kingdom, London. We have taken the rule of law. Next, 11th question. Directive principles is taken from the Constitution of which country? India has adopted the directive principles from Irish Constitution. From Irish Constitution we have adopted the directive principles. And next, 12th question. Concurrent list is taken from the Constitution of which country? India has adopted the concurrent list from Australian Constitution. From where? Australian Constitution we have adopted it. Next, 13th question. Suspension of fundamental rights during emergencies is taken from the Constitution of which country? We have adopted the suspension of fundamental rights from the Germany Constitution. From Germany Constitution we adopted this. So next question, 14th. What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mines? In India, there is a minimum age of 14 years. Below 14 years, the children can't work in factories or mines. After 14 years, they can be worked in factories and mines. So next 15th question. In India constitution, the method of election of president has been taken from which country? In India, we are known, also called as Rashtrapati, President of India, the first citizen of the India country. So the process of selection of this Indian president has been adopted from the Ireland country, the European country Ireland. From there we have adopted this type of procedure. Next 16th question. Who administers the oath of the President of India? The President of India swearing in ceremony you have been seen so many times in the TV news channels that the swearing in ceremony of the President of India. At the time you have looked at the Chief Justice of India, the current and the present Chief Justice of India will be swear the President of India. Okay, friends. So answer is Chief Justice of India, oath as the President of India. Next 17th question. Under which article President of India can proclaim financial emergency? In India, financial emergency can be proclaimed under which article? So friends, the answer is Article 360. Under Article 360, the India can proclaim, President can proclaim the financial emergency. So, next 18th question. What is the total number of fundamental duties mentioned in our constitution? In our Indian constitution, there are 11 number of fundamental duties. How many? How many fundamental rights? 6. And how many fundamental duties? 11. So remember friends. So next 19th question. How many types of writ are there in Indian constitution? Writs. You may know the writs, type of 5 writs, ceritoria, mandamus, and here you see habeas corpus and quo warranto. These are the 5 types of writs in the law. So there are how many types? There are 5. 5 types of writs are present in Indian constitution. And next 20 question. Right to privacy comes under which article? Under Article 21, the privacy comes. So answer is Article 21. So next 21st question. National income of India is compiled by. So national income of India is compiled in India by CSO. CSO means Central Statistical Organization will compile the national income of India. Very important question, friend. Next we see here the most important question. Niti Aayog has been formed to replace with which constitution? Before Niti Aayog, which has been replaced with Niti Aayog. So before Niti Aayog, there was Planning Commission of India. Every 5 years there will be a new reforms in the Indian constitution. So this has been changed as Niti Aayog under Narendra Modi government. Niti Aayog means Niti full form is National Institution for Transforming India. This is the full form of Niti Aayog. And next question. So here in this way the Planning Commission is the answer which was replaced by the Niti Aayog. Answer So next 23rd question. Which article of Indian Constitution has the provision for national emergency? So in India, national emergency can be proclaimed under the provision of Article 352. Under Article 352, the President can proclaim the national emergency. In India, there 3 times the national emergency has been declared. The first in 1962, the Indo-China War, Pakistan War, and in 1971, India-Pak War, and also in 1975 under Indira Gandhi's government by Indira Gandhi. And at that time the president was Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. 3 times the national emergency has been declared. So answer one. Sometimes the question may be asked as the option 1, 2, 3, 4. So you may tick 3 times the national emergency has been declared. So 24th question, under which article President of India can proclaim constitutional emergency? So here we see the financial emergency, national emergency, and now here we see constitutional emergency. Constitutional emergency can be proclaimed under article 356. So next 25th question, when the office of the president and vice president falls, means vacant simultaneously, who can act as the president? So who will be the head and the supreme of this country? So CJI, Chief Justice of India, will be the supreme of this. Next 26th question, which act made the Indian legislature bicameral? So in India we have the legislature bicameral under the Act of Government of India Act 1919. At the time of British, we know this 1919 Act is also known as the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. By this, the India has a legislature of bicameral. In India, more than 7 states has the bicameral, not on assembly but on legislative council also present in India in 7 states. So India's bicameral legislature is taken from Government of India Act 1919. So next, the last and but not the least, the question, which article of Indian Constitution prescribes Hindi in Devanagari script as the official language of the Union? Indian Union has declared the Devanagari script in Hindi as the official language. So under which article it has been proved? In Article 343, it has been proclaimed as the official language of the Union. So friends, this is the today's Indian polity important bit questions which I have been taught you. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and forward it to the people, students who are looking for this kind of desires of these kinds of videos. So stay home, stay safe, and 100% you can get the job if you follow my channel, if you follow my videos. Thank you friends, thank you all. Next, meet in the next video.